Hey, make a quick video here. My windshield washer fluid wasn't working, so I bought a new reservoir, and it comes with the motor. There's the motor. I wasn't sure if this would. There's the motor. Wasn't sure if this would work. It was pretty simple to replace. Literally 3 bolts. Undo the 3 bolts. A plug for your motor and a hose for the windshield wiper. Unscrew them, put them back on. The reservoir and the motor cost $34. There's the old one there with the motor and everything. Really pretty simple, pretty easy to do yourself. Took me less than 15 minutes. On the road with Big Al. We'll see you on down the road.